Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-Trak model K2 mill, serial number 033AE112254. Machine was new in 2003. We're gonna run it for you. Right now we have the spindle running. It goes from 60 to 4,200 RPM. That's 2,000. This machine is super quiet. It's original paint. It actually was not used too much. Came out of a hospital's tool room. Now we're in low gear. Again, very, very quiet. You have 2-axis CNC control, 3-axis digital readout. Machine has ball screws on the X and the Y axis. He's moving the Z right now. You can see it on the control axis, the digital readout in manual mode. Quill looks like new as well. It's moving the X axis, jogging it. The Y. Again, you can see on the control, when it moves, it comes up. It also has the coolant pan on the bottom, and you do have a coolant pump inside of the machine. Hey, that's kind of the whole video. Thank you for watching it.